Protesters outside Egypt's constitutional court were furious at the rulings, which keep old guard candidate Ahmed Shafiq in the race and throw the legislative branch, dominated by Islamists, into disarray. Many in the crowd called the rulings a political decision aimed at keeping the old system in place.
Today it is clear that everyone wants to hand over power to Shafiq. The deal with Shafiq is he's like a cat with 9 lives. Shafiq is Mubarak's dog. He's the one protecting the regime.
The ruling came 2 days before a runoff pitting Shafiq against the Muslim Brotherhood's Mohamed Morsi, a choice some find intolerable.
I feel there's no candidate of the Egyptian revolution who would cleanse corruption from the country.
Some saw corruption in the ruling. One of the court's judges also heads the election commission. Behind the scenes is the ruling military council, which the day before had said that soldiers could arrest civilians. Some in the crowd vowed to keep up the street protests that brought the old government down last year. But columnist and political observer Rania El-Malki says the time for effective demonstrations may have passed.
We're going to have the elections. People are going to go to the polls. They're going to say what they want. And at the end of the day, nothing is going to change the outcome.
Still, some want to register their objections to both candidates at the polls. One group that's gaining momentum is urging voters to spoil their ballots.
These nullified votes would tell the two candidates that there is a third power.
But it's far from clear if those currently in power will pay heed to protests, silent or otherwise. Elizabeth Arrott, VOA News, Cairo.